Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft any winter frost season food in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the winter frost season challenge and I'm going to go to this menu, and as you can see, I need to craft any winter frost season food to complete the cooking challenge. I've already crafted the winter frost season food, and now I can claim the coins, and I'm going to show you guys how you can craft the winter frost season food. So you need to take quest from this NPC Maxima. You need to take the Aurora banquet quest. I've already taken the quest, so the quest appear right here, as you can see, Aurora banquet quest, and I need to make an iced drink. And to make the iced drink, you can go to the stove. Okay, and iced drink is the winter frost season food. Okay, you can select the iced coffee, but for now I'm going to cook this one, original frosted pancake. This is also winter frost season food, and then make sure that you already have the ingredients. You need egg, milk, and blueberry, and I'm going to start cooking. Okay, you can cook here. Okay, the pancake is ready. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can craft any winter frost season food in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.